Hello, welcome back to Des Vlogs, where most of the videos are unboxing. Today I'm unboxing Aquaman. There's the Aquaman. As you can see, it's not just the figure, but the weapon itself, and it has a card, the back end, a comic book as well. So this is cool that it's not just the figure, but its signature weapon, like I said, the card and the comic book. So just in a few moments, you'll be watching me unbox this one. So I'm about ready to unbox it. I already cut out the tape. Here it is. It's amazing. The comic book stand and card are still in the box. So first we're gonna take a look at it. Get them out. Awesome. Looks just like Aquaman. Check them out, the details. Very cool. Very cool. I like this shield cover here. Very awesome collectible figure to have of Aquaman if you're a fan of all these comic books. Closer look at the weapon, the trident. Awesome. Now here's his weapon. You can put it on Aquaman, or you can hold on to it, or use it as a weapon, whatever you want. So here's a closer look at the figure. Check out the details there in his suit, the necklace right here, carved in, shield, armor on the pants. Check out the details there to make it look like gold. Details in the back here. Look at that hair, nice and wavy. Look at that beard. Very cool. Now let's take the comic book out. Amazing. Here's the card of Aquaman. The figure stand. There's the comic itself. Comic book in that bag for protection, so I can add this Aquaman comic to the collection of comics that I already have. The figure stand, it says DC, just like the one that came with my Flash figure and the Captain Cole. And like that, the figure can stand up for display. There's the card that it came with of Aquaman and character details in the back. This is the comic book of Aquaman, as it says there. It comes with the figure. Here's the back. And look at the cover. Looks just like in the figure, weapon included. Pretty cool. So that's it for this one. Hope you enjoy watching me unbox Aquaman with comic and all included. Till next time, vlog you later. Good night, y'all. Subscribe for more.